everyone, I'm Marcus. Welcome to my home. I live here together with my fiancée Angela. How we came to our decision of using Interior Diary was actually through a word of mouth referral. So thereafter, what we did was actually we did a lot of online research onto the firm itself, and the positive reviews garnered online influenced our decision to going with Interior Diary. Liaising with Interior Diary was a breeze. When we met with our designer Gary, we hit it off instantly because it's a major renovation itself. This was actually carried out within 2 phases. The first phase involved major rewiring and plumbing. So pretty much all the wires, the electrical wiring in the house, as well as the pipes within the walls, were actually all changed. The second phase involved the cosmetic approach as to the wallpaper, the trimmings here, the carpentry, as well as the flooring. We left all the minor decision making and the quality control with him, as we didn't need to micromanage him, as he kept us updated every step of the way. What I particularly like about the entrance is the semi-opaque glass partition, which gives a sense of entering a lobby. Furthermore, it also allows natural light to pass through and enter the living area. Both me and my fiancée have enough shoes for any occasion. Therefore, a spacious cabinet was of utmost importance to us. The built-in bench is really handy and comfy too. The glass panel at the entrance of the kitchen actually conceals our storeroom. It's really handy to store large items such as our suitcases as well as our cleaning equipment. My fiancée Angela really loves the kitchen. In particular, she likes the overhead dish drainer. She really appreciates the overhead dish drainer. You can just wash the dishes and store them above to air dry. Our dining area has a sense of grandeur with the baby chandelier, and we must thank Gary for talking us into the mirrored feature wall. What I really like is the two-way cabinet, which separates the living and the dining area, and yet it allows light to flow freely throughout. We really appreciate the interplay of textures, such as the textured wallpaper, marbled laminate, and selective use of glass. Initially, we wanted to have more decorative panels, but Gary convinced us to tone it down so it won't be too over the top, and we really appreciate his advice. Moving on to the master bedroom, even though it may not be the most spacious room in the house, but every inch is well utilized. You'll notice we have introduced a warmer color palette in our bedroom. You can see it on our bedhead and in the warm yellow lighting. My advice to homeowners embarking on their renovation is to be very clear on what you want, so as that everyone can be on the same page. I can honestly say we are delighted with our renovation, and we have no hesitation in recommending Interior Diary as well as our designer, Gary. They did a great job for us, and I'm sure they'll do a great job for you.